Hey everyone, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for deciding to join me, and if you've been here before, it's good to see you again. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to put on some false lashes. A lot of people still struggle with putting them on, but believe it or not, I feel like it's the easiest part of my whole makeup routine, and I feel like it really puts and makes your whole look come together. So if you would like to see a quick and easy way how to put on false lashes, just keep on watching. Okay, as you can see, the rest of my face is already done. Brows, base, everything. Unfortunately, I will not be doing a foundation routine. I'm just gonna put everything that's on my face in the description box below. I'm actually testing out a new foundation. I really like how it applied. It's the Wet n Wild Photo Finish foundation in the shade Mahogany. It's been out for a while. I've had this, believe it or not, for maybe 5 or 6 months, but I'm finally deciding to try it out. Really great foundation. I love how it applied. I like the fact that it has a spatula and everything, but if I'm being completely honest, the smell is driving me nuts. I'm not one of those people that have a problem with smells, but for some reason it smells really strong. It's not a perfumey smell. It's just really hard to explain, but I'm really not digging the smell of the foundation, but everything else is just amazing. I love how it applied. I liked how it blended out. Didn't have any issues. Just really good foundation. I just wish they would do something about the smell. So moving along, like I said, everything that's on my face is going to be listed in the description box below. I didn't even put mascara on because I figured I'd show you everything in this video. So starting off, I have my lashes. I have like a billion pairs of these same lashes. These are the Lena lashes in the style Monroe, but they're actually in the boudoir packaging. I have so many pairs of these lashes, it's ridiculous. Very nice and fluttery, hands down, maybe my top 5 lashes that I own. And I literally love these lashes so much. So these are the lashes I'm going to be using today. Using a lash tool. This is actually the Ulta lash tool, but whatever brand you decide to use is perfectly fine and it's totally up to you, but this is personally what I'm going to be using. Duo Brush On Vitamin E Lash Glue. This lash glue I really like because it applies blue and it dries clear, so it takes the guesswork out of knowing when your lashes are ready to be put on. Just to let you know, if you see me looking down, it's because my mirror is below the camera. That way I can see what I'm doing. But first thing you want to do is make sure that the lashes are the proper size and for your eye shape. So without putting any type of product on whatsoever and making sure that you're putting the right lash side on, you're going to put the lashes facing outwards so that you know which one is right and which one is left. Clearly I took this one because I'm putting it on my right eye, which is the right side. So I'm going to look down and place it directly onto my eye itself. Now, as you can see, these lashes are the perfect shape. You see how they are at the end and you see how they come all the way towards the beginning. Now, normally if these lashes were too long for my eyes or they didn't necessarily fit my eye shape, I would trim them down using small scissors. You can get small scissors from out of a little sewing repair kit, as if you needed to replace a button or something like that. They're normally in those, but if not, a standard size pair of scissors would suffice. Just be careful when you're clipping these ends right here not to clip too much, because then you don't want the lashes to fray or shred. First, I'm going to start off by coating my lashes using the L'Oreal Carbon Black Telescopic Mascara. I like this mascara because the wand is really small. It's able to get in really hard to reach places and is great for the lower lash line. So I'm just going to coat my lashes using this. Best way I find to apply mascara is to look down and start at the root and wiggle your way towards the tips. I'm now going to apply some of the lash glue. I'm going to make sure to hold the lashes firmly in my lash applicator. And I'm going to take the Duo brush glue and I'm going to apply it to the band itself that goes directly onto my eyelid. I like to coat my lashes using a lot of glue. That way I'm, guaranteed that they last throughout the day or however long I decide to have them on until I decide to take them off. When I apply the glue, I make sure to add a lot more towards the tips and the ends of the lash bands itself, because those tend to be the problem areas that lift up throughout the day. It's never the end part of the band itself, it's always the outer. So just try to apply some more glue towards the ends of the lash band. Now, still holding it firmly in place, you're going to shake your lashes, and that's going to help dry it out a bit. You can also blow on it. Me, either or, doesn't matter, whatever works for you. And you're just gonna wait about 20-30 seconds. You're gonna make sure that the lash glue is slightly dried, not completely dry, because if it's completely dry, how is it gonna adhere to your lashes? So you're gonna make sure that it's about 20-30 seconds that pass, because that way the glue is somewhat tacky and it makes it easier to apply to your lid itself. And if need be, you can adjust it the way you need to. And if it's not fully dry, it's easier to do that. If it's fully dry, one, is not going to adhere, and if it does adhere, it's going to be stuck in that one place, and you're going to have a problem adjusting it. So wait 20-30 seconds. Now this is how your lashes look once they're coated in glue. As you can see, it's blue, somewhat white, but once it dries down, it'll dry invisible, so don't even worry about it. Now taking a smaller mirror, you're going to place it below your chin and you're going to look down into it while applying your lashes. The reason you're going to do that is because this allows you to get as close to your lashes as possible, and so that the band perfectly mends and it blends good into your lashes, if that makes any sense. So looking down, I'm going to take the lash and I'm going to apply it as close to my lash line as possible. I'm going to slightly press that into my lid, starting with the middle. And I'm going to slowly work my way out towards the end of my lashes. And then I'm going to do it towards the middle of the inner corner of my lashes. And like I said, I'm going to slightly push that in. Now you see that little bit of space that's between your natural lashes and the false lashes? This is where the lash applicator comes into place. You're going to take it and you're going to press them together. And you're going to keep pressing it until it's completely no skin showing in between the two. And like I said, I have two different mirrors. I have the one in my hand and then I have the one slightly below the camera. That way I have two different angles of seeing to make sure that the lashes are applicated correctly. And there you go. Now we're gonna do the same exact thing to the opposite side, okay? Same step, taking the lash out of the tray, holding the lash with the applicator, coating the lash band in the glue, making sure to add extra adhesive towards the ends of the lash band. Now shake your lashes for 30 seconds or blow on them, whatever you see fit. Now with your mirror below your chin, look down and place the lash as close to your natural lashes as possible. Push it in the middle and adjust the bands at the inner and outer corners. You see that space? Now it's time to clip it together. Like I said, just keep pinching it together until there's no space or no skin seen in between the lash band and your natural lashes. And there you have it. Like I said, the lash glue dries invisible, so don't even worry about the fact that you can see the blue right now, because in about 5-10 minutes you won't be able to see it. And most of the time when you put on your lashes, you don't run right out the door. You wait around and you do other stuff in the meantime, so you're fine. So now you can leave it like this, or if you want a little bit more drama or a little bit more of a dramatic look, you're gonna coat your bottom lashes. Yeah, I'm gonna coat my bottom lashes. And that completes my lash tutorial. I hope I gave you guys some easy tips and tricks on how to easily apply your lashes without any hassle. As always, just practice. It's trial and error. You're not going to get it the first time around. If you do, you're lucky, but nobody gets it the first time around. Just practice makes perfect. Just keep trying, keep trying, keep trying. And like I said, yeah, this is how they came out. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know some more different material you would like to see on my channel, and hit that bell so that you can be notified of when I upload new videos. I hope to see you guys all soon. Bye.